USB Custom Keyboard Macro 3/6 Key 1 Knob Programming RGB Bluetooth Gaming Photo. USB Custom Keyboard Macro 3/6 Key 1 Knob Programming RGB Bluetooth Gaming Photoshop Hotswap Mini. Mechanical BT Keyboard Review. The USB Custom Keyboard Macro 3/6 Key 1 Knob Programming RGB Bluetooth Gaming Photoshop Hotswap Mini Mechanical BT Keyboard is a versatile and compact keyboard that is perfect for gaming, programming, and Photoshop. It features a 68-key layout with hot-swappable switches, so you can easily customize the feel and sound of your keyboard. The keyboard also has RGB backlighting, which you can customize to match your setup. One of the best things about this keyboard is its programmability. You can use the included software to create custom macros and keymaps. This is great for gaming, as you can assign specific keys to certain actions. You can also use the software to create custom lighting effects. The keyboard is also very portable, thanks to its compact size and wireless connectivity. It's perfect for taking with you to LAN parties or gaming tournaments. Here are some of the pros and cons of the USB Custom Keyboard Macro 3/6 Key 1 Knob Programming RGB Bluetooth Gaming Photoshop Hotswap Mini Mechanical BT Keyboard. Pros. Compact and portable. Hot-swappable switches. RGB backlighting. Customizable macros and keymaps. Wireless connectivity. Cons. May be too small for some users. Pricey. Software can be difficult to use. Overall, the USB Custom Keyboard Macro 3/6 Key 1 Knob Programming RGB Bluetooth Gaming Photoshop Hotswap Mini Mechanical BT Keyboard is a great choice for gamers, programmers, and Photoshop users. It's versatile, portable, and customizable. If you're looking for a high-quality keyboard that you can tailor to your specific needs, then this is a great option.